Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Hyundai Tucson key battery. First, ensure you have a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery ready. Look for the small slot on the side of your key fob. Carefully insert the screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, you can begin to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. This initial step is crucial for accessing the internal components. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the internal circuit board and the battery. Take a moment to observe how the old CR2032 battery is positioned, noting which side faces up. This will help you insert the new one correctly. Using your screwdriver or a fingernail, gently pry out the old battery from its holder. Be careful not to damage any of the surrounding components or the circuit board itself. Now take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. This is important for proper function. Once the new battery is in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Gently press them together until you hear and feel them snap securely into place. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. After reassembling, it's a good idea to test all the functions of your key fob. Check the lock, unlock, and trunk release buttons. If your Hyundai Tucson has a remote start feature, make sure that's working too. This simple battery replacement can save you a trip to the dealership. For more great tips and product recommendations, like the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below for links and other deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.